Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abid Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to show you guys an easier way in which you can farm the Nillion testnet. Now before I get into the video today, I want you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop any updates on crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, yesterday I dropped a particular video about a testnet that we can farm using our Kepler wallet. But now I have found another method in which you guys can farm this testnet airdrop, and that is through you making use of your Bitget wallet. Now, Bitget Wallet officially announced today that they are integrating the Nillion network to their wallet, which will allow users of Bitget Wallet to directly interact with the Nillion ecosystem within their app. Now, yesterday I made a video in which I uploaded ways in which you can farm this airdrop and how to get started on this airdrop by either downloading Kepler wallet or Kepler extension on your Kiwi or your Measles browser. But now that Bitget has officially announced it, I'm going to show you guys how you can also use Bitget wallet to farm this particular airdrop. So you go to your app store or your play store and you download Bitget wallet from there, and if you already have it, that is also fine. I'll be showing you how you can farm this as well. So first of all, when you log into your Bitget wallet, it's going to ask you to either create a wallet or you import a wallet. So for the new users, you can simply create a wallet and you will get your recovery phrase, and you also set a password. Please, under no circumstance are you to lose that recovery phrase, because it is essentially the key to your account. However, if you already have MetaMask or you already have an account with Bitget wallet, all you have to do is just continue with this particular video. Now, once you open your Bitget wallet, all you have to do is that you come to the wallet side and you click on this particular icon here, and then you search for Nillion testnet. Now, it has been automatically added to the Bitget wallet, and as you guys can see, I already have mine here already and I've added it here already. So that is all what you are doing. Just click this tab and you search for Nillion testnet, and that is all. Then the next thing is that you go to discover and you enter the website. I already have mine here, just like the video I made yesterday. I'll be dropping the link to the video in the description box, so you guys can also check that, and then you come back to this video and see how it all connects. Now you go to the same website I uploaded before, which is the faucet.testnet.nillion.com in your Bitget browser. So with the same thing, the same way I showed you guys yesterday, is still the same procedure. So you copy your Nillion address from your Bitget wallet, you come here, you paste it, and then you claim, and you do the rest of the verification, which is the reCAPTCHA. So it is as simple as ABC, just like the previous video I showed you guys before. So all you just have to do is come back to this, you change it to Nillion testnet, you click on the Nillion, and then you click on receive, and then you copy the address and you paste it to the faucet. Now, as you guys can see right here, on this particular account, I've claimed another 0.02 Nillion testnet tokens. So that is it for this particular update. So if you are interested in this airdrop, I would advise you to go through the previous video and then you watch this as well, and you make use of the Kepler wallet or the Bitget wallet to farm this particular airdrop. All links will be in the description. Subscribe to my channel, like this video for more crypto trading activities and airdrop updates and links. Thanks.